Hey guys, Coach D. Today we're going to do some RDLs, and I want to take it from the rack here to show you guys the basic movement of hip hinging. So the first thing to note when you do an RDL is it's going to be starting from your thigh going down. We're not starting at the ground. So people confuse single leg, stiff leg, and deadlifts and RDLs. RDLs start in the air and then they go down. So we want to get our shoelaces underneath the bar here, and then with our grip, what we're going to do is slightly bend at the knees and grab the hand placement just outside the legs here. Knuckles pointing to the ground. I'm going to really squeeze my armpit down in like someone's trying to tickle me. I'm trying to prevent them from tickling me here. So I'm thinking about bending the bar there. Once I do that, using my feet, big toe, little toe, heel, I'm going to drive in the ground and snap my hip forward. Okay, that's the basics of the movement. So I'm going to take a step forward here so you guys can see me. And now we're going to go through. So notice that I'm putting my shoulders in my hip pocket, my chest is up. Not doing this. Shoulders in the hip pocket, chest up. I'm going to slide the bar down my legs and then drive my hips back forward, just like so. So sliding the bar down my legs, hips back forward. And then when we finish, bend the knees, bring it right down. That is your RDL there for you guys. All right, got questions, comments, leave them in the sections below. We'll see you guys next week.